Most construction projects start chaotic and stay chaotic. Teams jump into execution before planning is done. Scope is vague, roles are unclear, and timeline is a guess. And then everyone wonders why the project feels like a constant crisis management. Planning isn't bureaucracy, it's risk management. Here's how to plan the right way. Step 1: define clear scope. What exactly are we building? Get specific. Vague scope leads to vague execution. Step 2: break the project into phases. Milestones, deliverables, dependencies. Step 3: assign ownership. Who's responsible for what? No ambiguity. Step 4: build a realistic timeline. What the client wants to hear, but what's actually achievable given the resources and the constraints. Yes, this takes time upfront, but here's the math that never fails. 10 hours of thorough planning saves you 100 hours of firefighting later. Control doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of disciplined planning before the execution begins. Planned right and chaos never shows up.